Alright, today we're going to use my new toy, my Blue Sea 8110 amp clamp. We're going to hook it onto the alternator feed and see if we make a difference. We're going to set the amp clamp to amps DC. See? You can barely see it, but it says 0.04 amps, which is just what it's picking up out of the sky. I'm going to fire the car up. Maybe, if I have the keys. Alright, got the car running. So here we're going to take this, carefully put it around the alternator feed, and you can see it. I'm at 38 amps. That's what we're charging. You can also use that tool and hook it around other cables to see if you have a draw on the system. Right now I just wanted to show how to check an alternator.